Okay guys, so that was the unboxing and the putting together of the pits from E-flite. I got this on a Black Friday sale. I think I got it for like 120 bucks, something like that. It was pretty decent. Now I can tell you the quality seems really good, and I kind of bought this airplane without knowing too much about it. But there's two types of planes I've never owned. One is an like a 3D acrobatic airplane, and the second was a biplane. So I've always wanted to get a biplane. I'm thinking I probably should have gotten something a little bit more floaty and fun, but this is a full sport aerobatic airplane, and now that I've watched some videos on it, this thing flies really fast. I'm gonna hit up my friend Eric, who's out in San Bernardino, and he has a pretty nice flying area that I might be able to borrow. One of the major things about this airplane that a lot of people have a lot of problems with are these little pins that go into the wing that hold the wing in place, and everything is very secure, by the way. I didn't have any problems getting them in. You just have to kind of persistently push the base of this, I forget what these are called, down as you're pushing in the pin. It's a soft plastic, so it kind of, the pin actually finds its way kind of into these little struts here. That was probably the hardest part about putting this thing together. It's literally 3 screws on the bottom, 1 body pin down there, 2 body pins up here in the center. You put on your spinner, and that's pretty much, it's done. So it was 20 minutes start to finish from me unboxing it to this point right here. The only things that I really need to do right now are bind up my receiver and also put on all the control surfaces, of course. So that's basically these. There's a step up from the bottom to the top, so it moves all your ailerons at the same time. But I can't wait to get this thing out to the field. So guys, I know I haven't done a lot of airplane content lately. I just have gotten away from it. I've gotten super busy. My business is getting busier, and I intend to get back to it. I really love flying. I just can't wait to get back out to the field and fly with pits for you guys. So I have a couple things coming in from the Black Friday sale, so I look forward to that on the channel. This thing is looking great. I love the scale detail. Anyway, thanks for joining me again, guys. Stick with me and we'll have some more airplane content coming up, along with drift and also drone, and I have something else special planned for you guys right down here. So I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Thanks. Bye.